common houseleek is a succulent plant that is very popular for its low maintenance, low costs, and different but interesting shapes. It can be planted in windowsills as a potted plant or placed on tabletops and shelves to add color and visual appeal to any room. It can also be planted in drainable and ventilated corners of courtyards as an undershrub to form a unique tropical landscape. Common houseleeks don't need much care, therefore making them a great option for busy people and those with little gardening experience. Sempervivum, from its Latin name, Sempervivum tectorum, means always living. Adapted to droughts, baking sun, and the cold winters of their native southern European mountains, the common houseleek can truly live through almost anything. It has been grown for centuries on the rooftops of European houses as it was believed to deter lightning strikes. Young common houseleeks grow around the mother plant, earning their alternative name of hens and chicks. Common houseleek is a small succulent plant with foliage as its main component. It is one of the most widely sold succulents in recent years. Its plant shape is dignified, like a blooming lotus. The leaf color is rich and varied, and the purple-red leaf tip is very unique. For optimal growth, it requires sufficient scattered light, which should be bright and transparent. If there is not sufficient sunlight for a long time, the plant will be spindling, the tissue will become brittle, and its color will slowly fade.